The United Democratic Party submitted 8 suggestions to the Committee on Reservation Policy and Roster System on Friday. The party met the chairperson of the Committee on Reservation Policy and Roster System, Ambreen Lyngdoh, to present the observations made by the party on the reservation policy and the roster system. The General Secretary of the party, Gemino Mautho, did not disclose the suggestions but maintained that the party has recommended changes in the policy.
There are 8 observations because many things are connected also. It is not only you talk about the proportion, about how much percentage and all that, but there are other things which are related to the reservation policy and the roster system. So we have given our points for consideration and we leave it to the wisdom of the expert committee. And as mentioned earlier, that the points that we have raised on our part, this will be taken up at the level of the expert committee, and then maybe we will have a one-to-one talk with them also, and we will deliberate further on this and whether our observations is justified or not.